Let's talk about the balance sheet, which is the mother of all financial statements. There are three primary financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flows, but they all revolve around the balance sheet. This is the fundamental financial statement. So let's make sure we understand this one, shall we? The balance sheet is structured around the accounting equation. The accounting equation has been around for over 500 years, and the accounting equation is simply this. I list my assets, which makes sense. You got a business, you're going to have a list of your assets. How much cash do I have? How much inventory do I have? How much land do I have? How many trucks do I have? You're going to have a list of those assets. You can have a list. The insight of accounting, of modern accounting, dating back over 500 years ago, is this. In addition to keeping a list of those assets, let's also keep a list of where we got the money to buy those assets. We can borrow the money, in which case we call the source of that financing a liability, or we can have it invested by the owners of the business, in which case we call the source of that financing equity. So if I've got an asset, I got the money to buy that asset either by borrowing the money or by having it invested by the owners. So the liabilities and equity, they're the source of financing to buy the assets. So this equality, the accounting equation, it has to be true by definition. If I've got assets, I had to get the money to buy those assets. That's reflected in the balance sheet. This is the structure of accounting. If you've got a list of assets, you know you haven't completely reflected all aspects of that business unless you've also got sources of financing that add up to the same number as the total of those assets. If those don't add up, you've forgotten something. The balance sheet structured around the accounting equation is a very nice illustration of the structure of accounting. Accounting imposes structure on data to make sure that we've accounted for everything, that we've thought of everything. Make sure you know the accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus equity.